JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn business page. So to do this is pretty simple. So head on to your LinkedIn here in your desktop and then go to For Business. And then here, when you go down, you have the Create a Company page. So here, you will showcase a page. So it's pretty simple. So let's do this. So this not feature is not available. So I don't have enough connections to create a page. So we can also do this, but I don't really have any connections yet. But basically, this is how you do it. So the sub pages are associated with this page, and I'll just show you how. So basically, this is how it would look like when you do it. So here you'll have your page identity, you'll have to place its name, the public URL, the website, and here the company details. So you will add your company details plus your logo right here too. So here's your website, and then here is going to be your company. So you will select your company type, the size, and the industry you're working in. So here you also have your profile details as you can see. So here you will place your logo and this choose file button right here. So you will have to verify that you're authorized representative of this organization so that you will be able to create this company page. So this will also work as an individual page. It's just the same thing. So here it will look like in the page preview. It's going to show it right here. The company name, the industry, the tagline is going to show up right there. So basically there you go. That's how you create a LinkedIn business page. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.